Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Brew with Memli. I'm Mehmet from Memli Coffee Lab, and today I will show you a new recipe using the Aeropress. We have our sort of signature recipe somewhere there. Time is to brew it fast and efficiently. So today I'm going to show you a 1-minute recipe. It's going to be very fast, and the idea is to extract most of our coffee under a minute using the immersion method and a lot of agitation, of course. For that, I'm using 10 grams of coffee, finely ground. Here I'm at 6.5, so which is equivalent to maybe 12 on your Baratza and about 15 to 20 clicks on a Comandante, for example. So quite fun and unusual. 130 grams of water at 95 degrees, so a little bit hotter than usual. The Aeropress with 2 filters in inverted position. First, and I'm using here Pilkukaha Ethiopia red honey process. I'm first going to add my 130 grams of water, and I won't start a timer yet. So 130, perfect. Then I have my coffee, 10 grams. I start my timer, and I'm going to stir aggressively for 15 seconds. The next 15 seconds will be putting out the cap and flipping it, and the remaining 30 seconds will be the press. Here we go, 15 seconds of agitation. Then we kind of do your maneuver. 27, 28, little shake it, and then we slowly going to press it for 30 seconds. So it's very fast. Water first, coffee after, stir it vigorously. The idea is to really extract and saturate all the ground as fast as possible. Then do that little cap. You can do a standard Aeropress, but I prefer the inverted method. And a slow press for 30 seconds. So here I'm done at 1 minute, so it's almost done 1 minute and 3 seconds. So kind of there, right? And you press all the way. Here you are. You have a 1:13 ratio, which is quite strong, but because we have a faster brew, it actually counterbalances with the finer grind size and the hotter temperature. The risk is to under-extract. That's why the only thing to modify will be the grind size to make it finer or coarser. What I like about this method is that you have the texture. That thicker texture is followed by a lingering aftertaste. And because you have a thicker texture, the acidity is not as intense. But it's present. You have a nice medium acidity. Nice extraction, nice balance. This will highlight more the sweet aspect of your coffee and fruity as well. Slightly less floral. Overall, in immersion methods like the Aeropress or the French press, the florals are a little bit harder to extract, but it's possible if you use a coarser grind size. But if I use a coarser grind size, then I may lose my texture, right? So, nice acidity, nice balance of texture and of sweetness. And that's what I want in coffee is brightness, sweetness, and texture followed by finish. Easy. 10 grams of coffee, 130 grams of water. Water first, coffee after. Stir for 15 seconds. Put a cap, flip it. At 30 seconds, you press for 30 seconds. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your coffee friends. and see you next time for more brewing.